Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, friends, okay? And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so that you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJW1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the tremendous power of suggestion. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called different reaction to the same suggestion. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So friends, let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Is it is true that different people will react in different way to the same suggestion because of the subconscious conditioning or brief. So this is very important statement, friends. Okay, so here the author Joseph Murphy is telling different people is going to react in a different way for the same suggestion because everybody's conditioning of the subconscious mind is completely different. For example, if you go to a sailor on the ship and say to him sympathetically, so here the author Joseph Murphy is giving us an example that if we go on a ship and we tell to a sailor sympathetically, my dear fellow, you are looking very ill. So for example, if we go in a ship and we say to a sailor that my dear fellow, you are looking very ill, aren't you feeling sick? And we say to a person, aren't you feeling sick? Are you sick? You look to me as if you were going to be a seasick. So he said that you look to me going to a seasick. Means basically, friends, here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that if we are traveling on any sea by a sea route for from a place from certain place point A to point B, and we go on in the ship and we say by looking at a person we say, I think you are looking sick. Are you a seasick person? So let's see what will be happening next. What Joseph Murphy is telling. According to his temperament, he either laughs at you, joke, or express mild irritation. So, if we tell a person in this way, either what two things he is going to do. He is going to joke or laugh at you, or he is going to give a mild irritation. Your suggestion fell on deaf ears in the instance because your suggestion of sickness was associated in his mind with his own immunity of it. So, therefore, it called up not fear or worry but self confidence. So this is very important statement, friends. Okay, so we went in a ship and we said to that person, are you sick or something? So that person will either say either laugh at you or is not going to, because according to his mind whatever images, if he always feels sick from the sea, then he's going to feel afraid, right? Or else if he have no feeling of sick or temperament in the sea, he is going to say no, nothing, I am all fine. So he is not going to afraid, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, so everybody's conditioning depends on their own way, friends. Okay, so how their mind is been conditioned. So this author Joseph Murphy is trying to make us understand in this topic, friends. Okay, the dictionary says that a suggestion is the act of or instance of putting something into one's mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that the dictionary always says that the suggestion is the act or instance of putting something into one's mind, friends. Okay, the mental process by which the thought or idea suggested is entertained, accepted, or put into effect. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the mental process by which our one thought is accepted, suggested, or entertained, or put into effect, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You must remember that a suggestion cannot impose something on the subconscious mind. against the will of the conscious mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always remember the suggestion cannot impose something on our subconscious mind against our conscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. In other words, your conscious mind has the power to reject the suggestion. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling, in the other words, our conscious mind have the power that our conscious mind has the power to reject the suggestion which is given to us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This is very important. Means, for example, if somebody said me something, means my conscious mind will, it depends upon him whether he will accept it or reject it. In the case of the sailor, he had no fear of sickness. He had convinced himself of his immunity. And the negative suggestion had absolutely no power to evoke fear. So this is very important. So in this case, that person have no fear of sickness. So the negative power which a person have said, it didn't affected him. So he had become very strong and he has and it didn't affected him, and he was very well and fine, friends. Okay, so this is the power of suggestion, friends. Okay, so here, because by their immunity have already coped by this thing, so this is the power of the suggestion which had no power, because our immunity is strong. If we have something belief, for example, if I know swimming and anybody says that I look that you cannot swim, you will go inside the water, I'm not going to afraid because I know swimming. But in the same time, if I don't know swimming and if anybody says that the water is very deep and it is very dangerous and you may go down, so I will feel afraid, no, I may go down, or in this way. So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, the suggestion of sickness to the other passenger called forth his indwelling fear of sickness. So the same suggestion of sickness to the other passenger, which was given, was called forth in his indwelling fear of sickness, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Each of us has his own inner fear, belief, opinion. So each of us have the inner each of us has his own inner fear, belief, and also the opinion, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and this inner assumption rule and governs our life. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling this inner assumption rules and governs our life, friends. Okay, a suggestion has no power in and of itself except if you accept it mentally. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the suggestion has no power and in and or itself if itself accepts it mentally. So for example, if we have the power in our mind, we are not going to accept that suggestion, and we that suggestion have no power if we are mentally strong, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This causes your subconscious powers to flow in a limited and restricted way according to nature of the suggestion. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling this is the cause of your subconscious power, which help us to flow in a limited and in the according way according to the nature of the suggestion given to us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called different reaction to the same suggestion. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called how he lost his arm. This topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay, how he lost his arm. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.